Hey guys, welcome back to Bird Tour, and today we are going to be doing my bird. Probably seen him in the Basketball 3 video, but yeah, anyway, that's my bird right there. Don't worry, he's feisty. He doesn't care. See, when I do this, you guys look. See, he's even like getting ready. When I just take out, he really likes that. He's special. He's special, Beto. Ludi, get your. What you doing? No. Ludi, what the sock do you? Good boy. Petty, pet. I want the. Can I pet you? Good. What you doing? Want to do? Yeah. Trying to pet you. Trying to pet you, Louie, and then you. My pia. Dude. Hey. Okay. No. Sometimes he bites. And when you don't have the glove on, when I'm doing the glove on, this bites hurt. Like very bad. So yeah. What? No. No, bruh. No. No, another. Yeah, okay. No, Rudy. God dang. You said you wanted it. No. Goodbye, guys.